Hello everyone, in this video we'll resolder and replace the leaking water heater line. First, we unsolder the old pipes, the leaking section. After that we assemble the new one exactly the same in dimensions and parameters. Make sure you sand the soldering surfaces and use flux. Be careful soldering not to burn yourself or your house. Always have fire extinguisher by your side or a lot of water. Solder all the connections, not missing one, because after you solder the part back to the pipes, it's going to be a problem to disassemble it if you miss one connection. After you're done soldering the new section, install it back into the place and solder it to the pipes of the house. Be careful not burning any cables around or pipes or studs. When you're done, make sure the pipes are not leaking, that all the connections are dry, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.